Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix if you are unable to comment on TikTok video on your TikTok account and you are showing the message the creator limited comment access. So guys, if you're facing this message while commenting on a video on TikTok, here I will show you why are you facing this message while commenting on someone's video on TikTok. So I first of all go back to your home screen and from here open the TikTok and from here tap on your profile, tap on three lines, tap on settings and privacy, tap on privacy again, tap on comments, and from here tap on comments again. So guys, from here you can see the privacy settings for your TikTok account. If someone has set this privacy that who can comment on your videos, that the followers that you follow back can comment on your videos, then you will not be able to comment on the video if that person is not following you. So guys, here if someone sets the privacy that followers that you follow back can comment on videos, then the followers that the account follows back will be able to comment on his videos. So guys, here is the reason why are you not able to comment on a TikTok video and you are facing this message while commenting. So I hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative videos.